How to add clickable link on Canva PDF. Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to easily add clickable link on Canva PDF. So the first thing you do is open up your web browser and head over to canva.com. Now from here you can select any text that you want. So let's just go ahead. I'm going to open up this random design. And what I'm going to do here is type in a text where I want to link something. So on this process tab, I'm just going to go ahead and write something called subscribe. And once you've done that, what you need to do is go ahead and click on this three links that says more. Scroll down until you find the link option. There is also a shortcut that you can use, Control+K, and now you can search for a link. So what I'm going to do here is go to my YouTube account, go to youtube.com, select my account, view it, view your channel, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy this URL and paste it right here. Now click on done. On the display mode, it's set to link and click on done. Click on done again. As you can see, it's shown the underline. Now all you have to do is tap on share, then tap on download. Select the file type as PDF, that's standard, and then click on download again. Once the PDF has been downloaded, you can find it on the downloads option, and then simply go ahead and open it up. I'm going to go ahead and open it. And now once the PDF is here, this will be a clickable link. So if I click on it, it will redirect me to my YouTube channel. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.